Currently in FluentCRM, the only way to import your contacts is using a CSV file. So this latest update is quite interesting because now we can come over here to our contacts, click import. So although the CSV file option is here, and we can also import from WordPress users and WooCommerce, this is their latest update. When I click on here, you notice that we can now directly import all our contacts from services like MailChimp, ConvertKit, MailerLite, Drip, and ActiveCampaign. Now, this is very important because we can do this automatically and also map the fields. Let me show you how. So I currently have ConvertKit. So what we need to do is to click here on ConvertKit, click on Next. Now we need to add the API key and secret. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to come over here to my account, click on my name here, go to settings. So this is where my API key is. I'm going to click advanced. So I'm going to copy my API key, come over here and paste it. Next, I'm going to add my secret key. So again, I'm going to copy it, come over here and paste it. Now I'm going to click on continue to map data. So here's the part which is super exciting for me because over here now, I can auto create my tags because this saves me a lot of time in going in, creating the tag and then mapping it later. So over here, I'm just going to go ahead and say auto create tag. But if I already have the tag on my CRM, I can just click on this drop down and then choose it over here. But you know what? I don't have it yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and auto create these tags. Okay, so next I can also assign my list over here by clicking on this drop down and then applying the list. But you know what? For this example here, we don't need to do that. We're going to go ahead and click on continue. So now it's asking me here that based on your 3 selections, 3 tags that are associated with the tags will be imported from ConvertKit. So I'm going to click on import. Now, this is the moment of truth because if this works, this is a game changer because you can imagine trying to import all your tags from another CRM and then try to map them. This will take a long time, but because this is being done automatically, I think FluentCRM here has done a fantastic job to make it easier for people to migrate from other CRMs. So it looks like all my contacts have been imported. So the next part now is just to view my contact by clicking here. And sure enough, all of them have been added. So now let me check and see if all my tags have been correctly added. So I'm going to come over here to tags and sure enough, all my tags have been imported, which is fantastic. So if you're interested in FluentCRM, I have a link in the video description below. It gives you a 20% off. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.